If you're looking for a complete home gym with a super small footprint, then this is the video for you, introducing the Unitop U-Trainer with the extension system, making it the Unitop U-Trainer Plus. At the core, we have a dual motor fitness plate that can be used in a standalone mode as well. The motors are individually adjustable, making it possible for two persons to train simultaneously. And of course, with the Plus version, you can take the system to the next level, enabling a whole array of additional exercises from cardio to bodybuilding to strength training. With this system, you can elevate your fitness at home. We're talking super compact design, a full body workout platform, 220 lbs of total load, and best of all, the app comes with countless exercises. It is free and there is no subscription at all. But before we get to it, right now the U-Trainer and the U-Trainer Plus is launched on Kickstarter with only a few days remaining. So if you want to get this complete home gym for an absolute bargain, then check out the Kickstarter campaign right now. Got the new drip from Unitop, the U-Trainer Plus. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. That's just the outer shell, box in a box. Love to see that. And let's get it out. So there we have it. Just like that. So let's open it up. Quite a lot of stuff in here. And lastly, the base itself. So there we go. So and lastly, let me show you the box. So we have this and this. Bottom is just blank. We have this side with all the specs and also nice carrying handles. On the other side we have this once more. Also this once again, quite a symmetrical box. And that's the top of the box. And then we also have this one right there. So let's just get everything out. All right, there we go. That was quite something. So here we have all the parts. We have the base with all the accessories. And here we have the frame and all of the rest of the cable edition of the Plus portion of the device. So here we have the plate. We have the two pads for stepping onto it. Then we also have the screw-able bar. We have all sorts of accessories for different exercises, different grips. We even have this one for the triceps pull down. And here we're getting to the Plus. We have the leg rests for rowing exercises. That's a rowing bar, also with the seat, bottom stand. And this right here is the backrest. And then we have the beams for the cables. Talking about cables, here we have the rolls, carabiners, and the cables itself. And then of course, all the tools and screws to put it all together. Done with the unboxing. And now let's put it all together, then get to my first impressions. And then of course, to a close overview. Since this is a pre-release model, I did not get a manual, so at first I was a bit clueless. I had to watch the video, but the assembly actually was pretty easy and straightforward. Of course, you will get the manual with the final release, and as you can see, it just took me a good 10 minutes to put it all together, so let's check it out. So here we have it, all done with the installation and the assembly. But first of all, let me demonstrate the U-Trainer in the standalone mode. So first of all, let's power it up. We can press and rotate, and then we can already start. Oh my goodness. So let's give it a short test and then I will check out the app. Okay, first of all, the carabiners. There we go. And now let's grab the grips. And just like that, we can go for a workout. 15 kilograms. Maybe that's LBS. 100. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Wow. And when we switch it up to the bar, for example, with the grips, we can do reverse rows, we can do curls, overhead presses, raises of all sorts. And with the bar, all right, that's a strong connection right there. Now we can easily do deadlifts, for example. Or we can also do squats. We can also do curls like that or like that. We can also do overhead press like that. We can use these for legs, do leg raises, leg curls, and we can also do triceps like this with the grips. Oh my God, it's working so good. Wow. I love that. So as you can see, with the plate in the standalone mode, you can already target your whole body. Yeah, and now let's connect it to the U-Trainer Plus. And this, of course, will explode all the exercises that you can do. So first of all, let me show you the machine. So here we have the seat, and down here with this button, when we pull it out, we can move it around. We can also lock it, and then it's in the rowing mode. We have the footrest and a first phone mount right there, really handy, and also a second phone mount right there. So you can just grab a phone, hook it in here, amazingly convenient. All right, then down here we have the adjustable footrests, and we can move them like so. And we can place our feet right there for rowing, of course. When we move the seat all the way here, when we move it all the way to the end, we of course have the backrest right here, headrest, and then we would use this phone clamp right there. And then up here we have the rolls for the strings, and in the back we have a screw. I will show in a bit. When we loosen it up, we can also move it down like that, basically. Then we have it in the lower position, and we can do all sorts of exercises this way as well. Let's move it up again. Let's lock it. Back here we have the locking screw, and it's also super easy to transport thanks to these rolls right here. To demonstrate, I can just pick it up like that, roll it around, super convenient. And when you place it to a wall, then you can also lift it up. And for this we'll need to remove this screw as well. So now check it out, dope, right? Super small footprint, and when you unfold it, then we have this bar and the screw on top. All right, and to combine it with the U-Trainer, so the U-Trainer has two holes right here, and in these holes are threads. So we just take it and place it underneath the Plus module. We take the long screws, we slide in the trainer, just like that. And to lock it in place, we insert the screws. And with the big hex key, we screw them tight. And there we have it. And what I just noticed is, as the Plus trainer, the U-Trainer itself, the platform, also has a rolling mechanism. So when we pick it up from one side, there is a little pictogram right here. Then we can also roll it around just like that. And as you saw, this even works with the Plus attached. And now let's put it all together. That is so cool. Let's grab these grips, hook them in, and of course power up the motors. And that's why we have the angled plug, because we need to get it in right there. Easy as that. So, oh, it's so smooth. Yeah, now it is time to download the app. The app is called Unitop, so let's get it. Quick pause, the app is already available, but it is still being perfected, and Unitop would greatly appreciate any suggestions to help them to improve the app. So if you get the app play around, then please leave a comment below if you have any ideas. And goes without saying that the exercise movement pool of the app for both the U-Trainer and the U-Trainer Plus will be expanded greatly. So expect upgrades, improvements, more exercises down the road. And again, if you have suggestions, ideas, feedback, drop a comment below. And now back to the app. Meanwhile, I will move it to the back. Let's open it up. So let's get started. First of all, let's sign up. Enter the name, password, birthday, gender, height, and weight, nickname. And we of course have the U-Trainer Plus. Done. So if you want, you can already check out the app. So that's great to see, because the trainer is currently getting kickstarted, but the app is already ready. So up here we can select U-Trainer and U-Trainer Plus. We can switch. We can also add a device right there. give it all the permissions. And now let's see. Okay, there we go, connect. Okay, we are connected, perfect. Before we get to it, let's check out the app. So we have the training tab right here with exercises, handle, ankle, pole, belt. We can also start a freestyle session. We have a strength assessment, that's cool. We can add workouts and programs. Then we also have the coaching tab right here with coaching classes. We have the feed, we have the gallery, and we have my photo album. And then we have the user profile, of course, with all the stats and all that good stuff. And down here we can also access our trainer. Here we have the workout section, we have freestyle, we have the action library, and we have workouts. And up here, we can always go to our device. So we are connected. And now we have ankle, pole and belt. Okay, so let's select the mode. Let's pick handle, that's right. We can set the weight. Actually, let me change it up. So we have the settings right here and we have the units right there. So kilograms, done. Can go for 10 kilograms from 1 in 0.5 steps all the way to 50. So 10 should be good. And then let's start. Wow, nice. Start training. Oh my goodness. That's really nice cable flies machine. We can also do it like that. And as you can see, it will track the workout. It will even count the reps, so cool. Let's go back. Let's go to 5 kilograms and let's start. Oh yeah, it's better. It can count each individual motor. And the last thing that I want to try out would be, we can also share it. We can also share our workout session. Wow, nice. Instrument mode. Oh, nice. So the last thing that I want to try out would be the strength assessment. That is cool. Arms. Yes. 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 Okay, I'm already cheating, but that is really cool. So you can do contests with your friends. Love it. So as you saw, this machine is extremely versatile. It can do so many things. I'm blown away. So big thumbs up from my side. This thing is crazy. So as you saw, this is a complete package, an absolute banger of a home gym. With the U-Trainer platform alone, you can do so many exercises, from squats to deadlifts to overhead presses, curls, so many possibilities. So just the platform alone already unlocks a full body workout with all sorts of compound exercises. And if you decide to get the Plus extension as well, you can go so deep, target specific muscle groups, do all sorts of special and unique exercises. The app will show you how to do it. It will guide you along. So even if you're completely new to fitness, this device is a no-brainer and it will work perfectly for you. The weight range is huge and I'm sure that it will last a long time, even for those heavy compound lifts like squats or deadlifts. And especially if you're a woman, this is plenty. Other than that, for most other exercises, you can't max it out as a male either. So it's a great concept to say the least, great hardware, and it's also super space efficient since you can just fold it up. And for what you will get, the price point is actually amazing, especially considering all the early bird offers that are currently available on Kickstarter. It is actually mind-blowing when you sum up all the different commonly used gym equipment that this machine combines. Check that out, it is crazy. So much value in there, and that is definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy then, I will see you soon.